Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have multiple cameras. Start switching now. Position the playhead at your intended cut frame, then press M to add a timeline marker. With the marker selected, click the camera you want active at that frame so you can bind it. Once the camera is selected, use marker right arrow bind camera to markers or press Ctrl+B to assign that camera to the marker. This instantly sets the scene's active camera at that frame and prepares the timeline for additional switches. Now refine the sequence by repeating the bind workflow for each cut. Move the playhead to the next switch frame, press M to create a new marker, select the camera you want at that moment, and bind it again. Make sure to name cameras and markers so you can select them reliably and slide markers along the timeline for frame-accurate placement. Once done, scrub the timeline to verify each camera becomes active where intended. Make micro-adjustments by nudging markers one frame at a time. To finish, scrub through your timeline and play the animation to confirm every marker activates its bound camera. When satisfied, render a short test clip to confirm the output matches the viewport. If you encounter an issue where a switch didn't take effect, make sure the exact marker is selected, then select the intended camera and reapply marker right arrow bind camera to markers, Ctrl+B. Also check you didn't accidentally overlap markers. Move or delete conflicting markers and rebind to fix persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.